Hi there, would you like to keep up to date with real-time Bitbucket updates direct to Microsoft Teams? If so, Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Bitbucket by MoveWorkForward may just be the app for you. The setup is really quite straightforward. Install the app and go to Microsoft Teams from your Bitbucket administration. Click on Add a Rule. Provide a suitable name. From Teams, use the Workflows app to get your incoming webhook URL. Copy it and paste it in. Set your filters for all triggered notifications. Select which projects or repositories the notifications will be triggered for. Should you wish, you can use branch masks, and you can also specify if branches are the PR destination or the source. Choose which users or groups to include or exclude, and finally save the filter. And just like that, your notifications have now been configured. You can keep up to date with all the Bitbucket updates in real time direct to Microsoft Teams. Try it for free from the Atlassian Marketplace and see how Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Bitbucket can help you move work forward. Thanks.